Now I calculate the interest rate of an investment. Suppose I want $35,000 in my saving account after the 5 years. Type positive future value in cell reference E5. Active cell reference E5. First enter $sign. Then type 35,000. Press enter key. Active cell reference I5. Suppose I deposit $300 per month in my saving account. I will deposit this amount in every month. So enter this amount with negative sign. First enter negative sign, then enter $sign. Type 300. Press enter key. Suppose starting balance or I deposit initial amount in my saving account is negative $8,000. Active cell reference D5. First enter negative sign, then enter $sign. Type 8,000. Press enter key. Now I use rate function to calculate interest rate per month. Active cell reference B5. Press delete key. Click financial arrow button. Scroll down. Click rate function. In NPR box, select this cell reference. Press tab key. In PMT box, select this cell reference. Press tab key. In PV box, select this cell reference. Press tab key. In FV box, select this cell reference. Press tab key. These two arguments are optional, so leave blank these two arguments. Click OK. Function returns 0.74% interest rate per month. I will receive interest in my saving account with this interest rate per month. So I will achieve goal of $35,000 in my saving account with 60 deposits in the first 5 years. To calculate annual interest rate in cell reference F5, active cell reference F5. Press delete key. Enter equal sign. As there are 12 deposits in 1 year, so multiply the value of deposits per year to the value interest rate per month. Click cell reference B5. Enter multiplication operator. Click cell reference H5. Press enter key. Formula returns annual interest rate is 9% if the interest rate per month is 0.74%. Now I verify that the calculated interest rate per month value is correct. I verify that by calculating the future value of an investment. Active cell reference F8. Click financial arrow button. Click FV function. In rate box, select this cell reference. Press tab key. In NPER box, select this cell reference. Press tab key. In PMT box, select this cell reference. Press tab key. In PV box, select this cell reference. Click OK. The values in cell reference E5 and in cell reference F8 are same. This verify that the calculated value of interest rate per month is correct. This value can be verified with another method. Active cell reference F9, enter equal sign, divide the value of deposits per year to the value of annual interest rate. Click cell reference F5, enter division operator, click cell reference H5, press enter key. These two values are same. This verifies that the calculated interest rate per month is correct. So I will achieve goal of $35,000 in my saving account with 60 deposits in the 5 years. If I deposit $8,000 in the initial investment and I invest $300 in each month at the rate of 0.74%,